Hello friends, if we want to read and write in a language, then we have to learn that language, the alphabet, the vocabulary, the grammar, etc. Similarly, if we want to be good at our financials, we must have financial literacy. Most of the youngsters take financial literacy for granted without realizing how bad they are in managing their financials.
So what? What if I don't manage financials now? I'm still a student, man. There's a lot more time to learn it.
Most of our minds think in this way. But if we don't get financials into our grip by end of our teenage, we are going to face a lot of financial trouble in later life. The year 2020 had shown that money affects almost every aspect of our life. People who don't have financial literacy can easily fall into financial traps unknowingly. They can't even identify they are trapped until they are completely dumb. Information is power. The more information you have about finances, the better empowered you will be. Studies have shown that youth who lack financial literacy ends up as an irresponsible adults, and on the other hand, youngsters with better money management can make better financial decisions in their adulthood. Importance: lack of financial understanding is one of the main reasons why youngsters struggle with saving and investing. Lot of youngsters are unaware of interest compounding, inflation, diversification, and price bonding, which clearly shows that basic economic and financial principles are ignored at early age. In recent years, due to change in financial system like electronic transactions, EMIs, credit cards, easier loan availability, etc., had made it much more simpler to fall into financial troubles like loan defaults, debt accumulation, unaffordable credit bills, etc. So, financial literacy is increasingly important to manage their money accounts, trade personal assets, carry study loans, etc. There are high chances for youngsters who neglect financial planning to end up in an devastated and desperate situation when an emergency or the unexpected expenses knock the door. The main aspects of financial literacy are savings to meet emergency and unexpected expenses, investing to reach our financial goal quickly, budgeting to avoid debts and financial troubles, importance of loans to avoid defaulting and to avoid pitfalls. Now let's summarize. Financial literacy is combination of financial credit and debt management knowledge. It includes how a checking account works, what using a credit card really means, how to avoid debt, etc. It helps to balance the budget to reach our financial goals easily and quickly. Lack of financial planning will push us and our family into hard situations. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is our first video in financial literacy. The next video deals with personal balance sheet, personal budgeting, cash flow management. If this video is good, give a like. Don't forget to comment your suggestions to make it better. Subscribe to eSquare channel. Thank you.